There's good news for all those who've been pining for Maggi. The instant food brand is set to make a comeback to your plates, possibly by the end of the year. Nestle India MD Suresh Narayanan has told me tonight in an exclusive interview that the company is working hard to bring back Maggi by December. He did, though, express disappointment over the class action suit for $99 million or 640 crores that's been pushed by the Ram Vilas Paswan-led Consumer Affairs Ministry. Let's bring you an excerpt from the interview. The big question that many would like to ask is, when is Maggi going to come back on the shelves of Indian consumers?
Thank you, Rajdeep. Thank you for having me on your program. If I had my way, I would make it today. But I believe that there are processes that we need to follow. We would be on the instructions and on the advice of the Mumbai High Court, going in for a process of sampling, which would be then followed by testing at 3 accredited laboratories for lead, following which, if it's in all clear, we would be going in for manufacturing of noodles, post which there will be another round of tests, and thereafter I will be delighted to give the favorite Maggi back in the hands of the beloved consumer.
The reason I'm asking you this, Mr. Narayanan, is because the Bombay High Court on August 13 had set aside the countrywide ban on 9 variants of Maggi, saying the National Food Regulator had acted in an arbitrary manner, and it had given you 6 weeks in which 5 samples of your noodles had to be tested by 3 accredited labs. Now, that presumably period will end at the end of September, end of this month. So are you looking at another couple of months? Are your fingers crossed that by the end of this year, Maggi will be back?
Rajdeep, I would really be targeting for exactly trying to get the product out into the market by the end of this year. I think by the end of September, I do hope that the process of testing should be completed, and we should be well on our way to do 3 things, Rajdeep, and I think there are 3 paths to the Maggi program. One is to reactivate, re-energize the entire value chain, which is lying dormant during this period in which the product has not been on the market, following which, of course, we are doing extensive and really round-the-clock work in terms of the marketing and communication plans that we can put together. And last but not the least, to really energize the trade and to energize all our partners in this resurrection of brand Maggi back into the marketplace.